Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Kumshi benta banwan rabiang ya kajingjer ngam baru bandang Pynitynnad shu ya kasor Nongpoh Tynrai jong ki artali ki jakabam bapaunam kasor Nongpoh kata ka Jiva veg restaurant lambat ka LC Woodland Dhaba menta ka kinti kila shem ya kasinjam Thung hadu kharar spa tali ki Tynrai Dieng hasilen ter ka surak ba National Highway 6 Ya kani ka Thung ka balas nokti lang route ka National Highway Authority of India ka dorbar snong jong ka maudiang lambat ka dorbar snong jong ka lingkadan kila thungi ki Tynrai Dieng hapreng jong ka jaka penyaklat ya ka surak ba NH6 kata nadu maudiang ter sedu ka snong lingkadan Habakran kila pathai kubor uba jo nongrum try ka LC Woodland Dhaba lambat Jiva Vaswani try ka Jiva veg restaurant kila ong ba kani sinjam kalong kumshi benta ban penjer ngambiang ya ka may maryang badru bakan nongru ka ban Pynitynnad yang sor Nongpoh ban kring yi nong let nong wan nakaliang uba Rexon Wardri rangba snong ka maudiang lambat uba en makdo rangba snong ka lingkadan kila ban pau ya ka jingyaro syaki try jung kini ki artli ki jaka bam ki bala pau ki bala shem ya kani sin jam ban penne pensa ya ka maryang daga bathung ya ki Dieng
Dapat oh nasi hari yo kan kui ki Dieng ane hamne put ban ke bade ko ki ka nai ya ni ko na play yi baju nongrom pun ju rajung ka Jiva beach pun ju yi jenawanya juga Woodland badan muni bagi bahasa isnoi bani sakilang yang keding tunding so ikan ben bani jing tunding kalau keding toy nam taka mariang jengi kepada kami ka environment ko bukoi ya ke play ki member juga strong ka thau jengi extra member ke sukia lang bani don lang bani sakil lang akan men benang liang jengi ba ju wujud naga Jiva beach bagi dia sukia benda persa ini keding bagi Thung dasi kenapa ini ki jing Thung da long bagi long ki ban bagi ban ne bagi ju ban long ki toy ya klawe juga ri ki jing Thung ding jing menta kasi kalong ban Pynitynnad ya kani ka highway ni tang ban Pynitynnad ban safe ke environment mingkang ka ladai ningkong ka jing kersan ka ban yo ningkong yang somo ya snong iba rex iba la ai men sia mingi ba iba tre ban lang bangi kani ka por iba la ban ai men sia mingi bangin ya tre stom ya kani ka Thung Dieng Thung sit ban wara ka jing jerngam ya kani ka mariang jengi te nakaliang ka snong ru ngilai ya tre lang ya kani ka kam ban ya kani ka Thung ni ru kade ka jing benta ka LC Woodland Dhaba ka Jiva veg Nongpoh ban ka snong mau biang nakaliang kena hairu kay tilang iba ini dan iba bomik iba la I permission ini bangin Thung gini gini.
Here that we have to save the environment for future generations. We are planting the trees, and after planting, we are taking care of the plants, and we are planting it near a restaurant so that we can mature it, make them grow, and just not only planting. We need to take care of them for some years, and we have started this mission from Jiva Cares, and now we are lucky with the headman is joining with us, the National Highway Authority and LC Woodland. We are all joining together. We need to work together and do something about the environment, because when our children grow big, they'll say it is something they have done. So we are trying our best in our own little way.
How many plants are there?
We have 1,200 this time. 600 we are planting this side, 600 we are planting this side.